All right, guys, let's get excited. We are on lesson 12. We are getting close here. We're doing a great job. Remember, you can pause at any time, take your notes, and let's get this taken care of. All right, here's a table of contents. So today we are going to be introducing a new unit. We're going to be working on parabolas. And we're not going to dive too deeply into these. We're going to mainly focus on properties. All right, go ahead and pause to make sure you get your definitions in here. And this, for some reason, this is crazy down here. Let me rewrite this. X equals negative b over 2a. There you go. That's to get the axis of symmetry. All right, now that you've copied this down, let's move on. All right, so what we're doing is we're just going to basically use our definitions earlier that were on the prior page to just answer some questions here. So roots are also called x-intercepts. They're called solutions. They're the same, it's just people use different terms. So on this particular problem, if we think of roots, if you think x-intercepts, it makes it easy. The x-intercepts are where it crosses the x-axis, and those 2 points are just circled in red. All right, and since these are each part of these is going by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, yep. So the first one here is at 4, so that's at 4, 0. And the other one is at 8, 0. See, that wasn't hard. What points is across the x-axis at? The y-intercept, I'll do in green, it's right here. That's where it crosses the y-axis. So that's at negative 32. So x value of 0, y value of negative 32. The vertex is the point where the curve comes to an end and it switches the other direction. It's either going to be the highest or lowest point. In this case, it's the highest. So it's up here at the top. And that is the point 2, 4. That's x value of 6 and y value of 4. Remember, each of these is going by 2 if you look at our scale. All right, now the minimum maximum value is based off the vertex. Is the vertex the highest or lowest point on the graph? And as you can see, it's the highest. So it is a maximum. And which way does it open? In other words, where is the opening going at? And this one is opening down. So this one opens down. And we have just described the properties of this parabola. And we are good to go. All right, for you to work on is go ahead and make sure you take quiz number 4. That's over exponentials. And we need to make sure that we complete our iReady. This will be due by January 22nd. And we got 2 Google slides for you to do. One that's on the graphs and one's on the vocabulary. Just putting where things are. So if you make sure you got your vocabulary sheet all set up in your notebook, you can easily fill this stuff out. And the graphs is like what we just did. All right, guys, take care, stay safe.